gusto kong magpasalamat sa iyo kasi ikaw yung ginamit ni Lord para ma-sustain yung mga pangailangan ng mga tao mo. Thank you at bless kami sa iyo dahil isa kaming boss na kagaya mo. Salamat sa malawak na pangunawa sa bawat isa sa amin. Ang wish ko sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Arky. Thank you so much po sa lahat-lahat na blessings na pinagkaloob niyo po sa amin. Sana patuloy kang i-guide ng Panginoon. Patuloy ka pong bigyan ng blessings sa buhay niyo po at sa family niyo po. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Arky, happiest birthday yun.
Hi Arky, happy birthday. Sana happy ka palagi at bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessings ni God. So enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Una sa lahat ma'am, binabati ko po kayo ng happy birthday at salamat po na naging parte ako ng inyong kumpanya. Ngayon pa naman, binabati ko po ulit kayo ng happy birthday po. Salamat po.
Hello, Mama Arky!
Happy birthday!
Naway marami pang birthday ang dumating.
Siyempre!
Nagkaroon ka ng magandang pangangatawan.
Ingat palagi
Lalo-
sa biyahe.
At lalo yumabong pa ang iyong kabuhayan.
At tunggan niya. Happy
Ma'am
birthday!
Arky, baka naman!
Happy birthday, Arky. More power and sana lumago pa ang inyong negosyo.
Hello Ma'am Marky, happy birthday po. More blessing to come. Sana lumago pa ang inyong negosyo. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Arky. More birthday song.
Happy birthday,
Happy
ma'am!
birthday, ma'am!
More blessing!
More power!
More power!
Ayun dahil!
Ma'am, happy birthday. Sana maging marami pang project na dumating sa atin. Maraming salamat din sa mga naitulong mo sa amin. Ganun din sa iyo. Happy birthday, ma'am. Sana maging successful. God bless you.
Hi Arky, happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi Architect Marge, happy birthday!
Happy birthday Architect Marge. God bless always and thank you talaga sa tulong ninyo sa amin. Alam nyo na yun. Galing
Yes.
ng ating mga
Teamwork, ayan. Thank you for being our blessing. God bless you more with good health and happiness. Happy birthday!
Hello! Siguro nagulat ka, no? So ito lang din kasi yung perfect time for me to greet you dahil lagi tayong magkasama and busy because of the moment and I have time to do it. So happiest birthday to you, also known as Architect Marge, but Ajuma to me. Ayan, so I'm also happy na nakikita kang happy. And I just want you to know that I am grateful and I praise God for your life kasi you are a blessing to many and I do hope na you will continue na i-share pa si Lord sa marami pang taong mamimit mo. And if there will come a time that you will be discouraged, so andito lang ako as your accountability partner and of course your friends and the people around you na handang makinig sa'yo and mag-lift up sa'yo whenever you feel like the world is not also good, suicide more or anything. And thank you, yun lang. Enjoy mo lang yung perfect day for you ni Lord. Ito yung araw kung saan nagbigay siya ng blessing para sa marami. So thank you so much for your time na binibigay mo every time na meron akong pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Kahit may time na inaiiyak or natutulog ka, nakakatunugan mo yung mga kwento ko sa buhay, but still, bumabawi ka the next day. Good job ka dyan. So, happy birthday ulit sa'yo, Architect Marge, Ajuma, Bebe Girl, lahat na. Nikki is always here for you. Happy birthday! Love, love!
Hello Arky, happy birthday. Thank you for being a good mentor, a leader, and a good person. Keep chasing your dreams and thank you for being a blessing for each and everyone. More birthdays to come and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Arke. Happy birthday to you. Tama yun.